Long before humans ever walked the Earth, our planet was a wild and mysterious place. Dense prehistoric forests covered the land, giant rivers carved through ancient valleys, and enormous reptiles ruled the ground. Yet the skies above this ancient world were once empty. No birds soared through the air, and no wings cast shadows over the forest below. But evolution was already beginning a remarkable experiment, one that would eventually conquer the sky. Around 230 million years ago, during the late Triassic period, a group of small reptiles began to change in extraordinary ways. Their front limbs slowly grew longer, and a thin membrane of skin stretched between their elongated fingers. Over millions of years of evolution, these adaptations transformed them into something completely new. They became the first vertebrates in history capable of true powered flight. These incredible creatures are known today as pterosaurs, often called flying dinosaurs. Although they lived during the age of dinosaurs, pterosaurs were not actually dinosaurs themselves. They were a separate group of reptiles that evolved alongside them. What made them truly remarkable was their unique wing structure. Unlike birds, whose wings are made of feathers, pterosaur wings were formed from a large membrane of skin supported primarily by a single, extremely long finger. This extraordinary design allowed them to glide, soar, and ride air currents across vast distances. As millions of years passed, pterosaurs evolved into many different species. Some were small, no larger than modern birds. Others grew into enormous sky giants with wingspans reaching 10 meters or more. These massive creatures dominated the prehistoric skies for over 150 million years, making them some of the most successful flying animals in Earth's history. Pterosaurs lived in a wide variety of environments. Some hunted fish along ancient coastlines, diving toward the ocean surface with their long beaks. Others soared high above forests and rivers, searching for small animals below. Many species likely used warm air currents, much like modern birds of prey, gliding effortlessly for long periods without flapping their wings. For millions of years, the skies of the prehistoric world belonged to them. Above the lands where giant dinosaurs roamed, pterosaurs ruled the air as the true masters of the ancient sky. But the history of life on Earth is constantly changing. About 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event would alter the planet forever. A massive asteroid struck the Earth with unimaginable force. The impact triggered enormous explosions, global wildfires, and clouds of dust and ash that spread across the atmosphere. These dark clouds blocked sunlight from reaching the surface of the planet. Temperatures dropped, plants began to die, and entire ecosystems collapsed. As the food chain broke apart, many of the world's largest animals could no longer survive. Among the many creatures that vanished were the mighty pterosaurs. After ruling the skies for more than 150 million years, these incredible flying reptiles disappeared forever. Yet the story of flight did not end with them. Over time, another group of flying animals continued the legacy of the sky. Birds, the distant descendants of certain dinosaurs. Today, when we look up and see birds gliding through the air, we are witnessing a reminder of a much older world, a world where giant wings once filled the sky, and where the true rulers of the prehistoric heavens were the magnificent pterosaurs.